Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is lot 119B as in Bravo. This is a Sharp 1660C lathe. Power carriage, power cross feed, tailstock, lead screw. Just the same as 119A, has a Fagor digital readout. We're just moving the carriage a little bit, and there goes the cross feed. This has a 6-jaw chuck currently set up for draw collets. So let's give this one has the foot brake as well as the carriage brake. And here we go. Spindle's running nice and smooth and quiet. Carriage is moving. DRO is recording that. I'm just kind of turning a cross slide myself. Nice lathe, easy move out. Pedowitz is the rigger for this auction. That's lot 119B.